Our parliament is being asked.
Ni mathaa ma muthia mbere ya mutaratara wa watho wa maigananio tamanio bunge-ini kuria bunge magakorwo na mathaa meri ma kwarĩrĩria na thutha mutheri mihango ya wikia wa kura. Abunge atumia makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere gutigana mahitia maria maneyumiria na gucungiriria watho uyu kwaga kuhituka matinecokera ringi guku makiuha miaho yothe ya kiuteti gukanyita watho uyu mbaru.
Let us respect the constitution. We must not stop until we cross the finish line and realize equality, inclusion, since this is the backbone to realizing and enjoying our fundamental rights for eradicating poverty and achieving social and sustainable development.
Undu uria urehete moritu watho-ini uyu ni kigina kiria gigukorwo gikihuthika angikorwo watho uyu ni ukuhituka hari kigina gia kuriha bunge aria megukorwo makiongerereka.
We need to take that issue in the full context of the question around management of public resources, because that's where the public comes from. That's where the public enters.
No hihi woni wa bunge atumia ni uriku?
Let's look into it very deeply. And let us not think that it will really inflict on our wage bill. It's really negligible.
Watho uyu wanatemanio bunge-ini nene maita meri ukigwaga ni wagi wa bunge ya kuhitukia na rita rimwe thiini wa bunge ya Senate. Kwaga kuhitukia kwa watho uyu ni ugwati hari bunge amu kuringana na gatiba ya gukorwo ari mugaru na watho.
This is the only provision that has not received legislative support. Of all the 2010 requirements, majority of those bills that we needed to do to ensure that we achieve what has been prescribed in the Constitution has been done.
Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia ODM Edwin Sifuna ni ikitihoya kuria bunge ya kiama kiu ukanyita mbaru watho uyu gukona kimubunge kanini kega akiuga ndakanyita watho uyu mbaru.
Nderetio ni ndikumenyita guoko tondu tikunyihanyihiria kana kuhuthahuthiria irahuthiria Wanjiku murigo ni kuongerera irongerera Wanjiku murigo.
Gukinyiria riu abunge atumia ni marikite kugia na giikaro na mutongoria wa bururi munini wake na Raila Odinga aria makoretwo magithingiriria bunge kunyita watho uyu mbaru. Riu ndurumeni ciothe cierekeirio bunge-ini muthe wa rucio gukona kana watho uyu ni ukahituka kana ni ukagwa ta miaka ya hau gabere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Nungari wa Kamau.